Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to cover a language which is called HTML. HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. We'll discuss basics of HTML, more about HTML, and page structure of HTML. So let's start with HTML. So before discussing HTML, we should know about what is web technology. Web technology refers to the means by which computers communicate with each other using markup languages. Web technology means communication of different computers. It's the order in which two or more than two computers can communicate via markup languages. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, basically used for designing web pages. HTML describes the structure of web page semantically and provides the appearance of document. Basically, your HTML language is responsible for appearance of your document on web. It uses predefined tags with angle brackets. Everything that we need to write in HTML should be under tags. This one called starting tag. This tag with slash is called ending tag, and those tags are coming into the pairs. Some basic tags are HTML, head, body, title, which are mandatory for every code of HTML web page. It can be assisted by technology such as cascading style sheets and scripting language JavaScript. Means in your HTML web page, you can connect it with CSS for designing purpose and scripting language for JavaScript. Using JavaScript, you can add some validations on your page. So let's see structure. An HTML element. Basically, we have two things. One is element, second is attribute. So tags are called element. Inside tags, we need to write attributes. An HTML element is an individual component of HTML document or web page. For example, tag, attribute 1, value, attribute 2, second value, content, and tag close. So here tag is element, attribute is like if you want to change length of particular image, so attribute will be image size, right? So empty element may enclose no content. For instance, the break tag, br tag is called break tag. HTML attribute, an attribute is used to define the characteristics of HTML element and is placed inside the element's opening tag. Basically, attribute which can define characteristics of HTML element and it's placed inside opening of tag. For all attributes are made up of two parts. One is a name and second is its value. Suppose we want to change background color. So background color is, busy color is attribute, pink, green, blue. The possible value is basically value set. The name is the property you want to set. For example, to creating a link, we need to use a tag. Inside this a tag, we have mentioned href, hyperreference, and in href, we need to enclose addresses of another page. When we click on this link, the page will be transferred to another website. So here, href is attribute and a is a tag. Let's answer what is href. A tag, attribute, reference of link, and hyperlink. Type your option fast. So let's see how to write HTML first program. So for this, first tag should be your HTML, which tells the browser that this is an HTML document. means you are going to enclose, you are going to create HTML web pages. So first tag should be HTML. Next, head section. Inside head section, you will be covering titles of the document, scripting languages, and styles. So as we are doing very first program, so we'll use only title. Rest of the thing you need to mention in body tag, like bold, italic, underline, all other tags you need to mention inside body tags.